another video. So today we're going to do a unboxing video, and we're using the Boxycharm from August, and we're going to unbox it. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I see is the card that say all the prices on here, so I'm going to go in order. So the first thing is the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder, and this is $40, and so it's a setting powder basically. So here's the powder. Oh, it's open. It's like, okay, but here's what it looks like. It's just a regular setting powder, it looks like. So it looks like a normal powder. So we're gonna tap, tap, tap. Ew! So wet. Well, I probably need this. My nose is shiny. Weird. So it's like when you okay, it's on your brush, right? Like that. Then you put it on and it feels wet. I need to get the rest of my nose. That's too weird. And it's all like through a sifter, so it's like fine powder. So that was the refreshing powder, and I like this, and it's mine now. So, sorry Mom. So next thing I have is the Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, and this is $42. So, that's like a primer. Oh, it's pink. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. I have two on the eyeliner in my hand. That's pretty nice. Next thing we have a Tarte Big Eagle mascara, and this is $23. And look at her lashes. I want that. So it says Big Eagle. And it's bright pink, like neon pink, like you can't see it on the camera. Whoa. That's very good. Oh god, I got my hair now, it's on my forehead. That's pretty good. I would use this. I'm going to use it. It's mine. Everything in this box is mine. So next thing is a pink glitter mask, and it's the Pure X Barbie, and this is $26. I'm gonna show you what it looks like because it's a glitter mask. I got this one, like from this set. Well, that's gonna be scary to put on my face later. Pretty nice. So that's that. Very bright. That looks like I just shoved lip gloss over my hand. It's a brightening mask. So yeah. And then the next thing I got, which is probably my favorite thing, are the Lashaholics, and these are $15. A $15 pair of eyelashes. That's probably the most expensive pair of eyelashes I've probably owned. I'm gonna wear these on the first day of school. So yeah. I like them. I'm gonna wear these on the first day. So yeah. So overall, this month's box is probably my favorite because I actually want this stuff. So yeah. I'll leave a link down below to Boxycharm if you want to get yourself a subscription box every month. And yeah. So click the circle over here to subscribe, and then click the box to go to my previous video. So yeah. Bye.